Rabbinic Judaism from the 17th of the 8th month of 1446. Rabbinic Judaism may not have a historical originator. Some rejected the central priesthood in a time of disorder. Association was made by others, and some took it further in their applications. On the basis of the eternality of soul, they allowed what made existence easier. 6 orders are a third of the edition. 63 books of completion in the earlier Talmud, Yerushalmi, and later study Babylon, Talmud, extend the interpretations. More primal and profound secrets are said to be put in by the later imbibers and reasoners. That doesn't mean an end to rabbinic tradition. There will continue to be transformers of the aspirations. Practically, we must still make spiritual connections. Seasonal and other timed ways have updated conditions. Familial ways are central to real religion. Criminal and moral offenses need exaction. Liminal ways are not just ethnic, but need translation. Intellectual connections lead to further purification. Mystical ways are present in all sects by more than literation. Now, the date that I would put to the start of Rabbinic Judaism wouldn't be 200 of the Common Era, with Judah HaNashi, Judah the Prince. I would consider it as being about maybe 200 BCE, before the historical evidence of Judaism as a known path. And by that, I mean, the second book of Maccabees is the first text to mention Judaism. And the Axis controlling priest version of Judaism probably starts about 540 BCE.